Hello, everybody. Today we're checking out one of China's most impressive new 4x4 motorhomes, the 2026 Changan Fengjing Blue Whale Explorer. It rides on a factory-built ladder frame chassis with intelligent four-wheel drive, a low-range gearbox, and differential locks for serious off-road adventures. Under the hood is a 2.0-liter Blue Whale turbo engine, producing 233 horsepower and 390 Newton-meters of torque, paired with a smooth 8-speed ZF automatic transmission. And despite all that capability, it still stays under the 3.5-ton limit, making it a truly unique expedition camper. Now, let's step inside and take a look at the bathroom. Despite its compact size, every inch of space has been used efficiently. Above us, there is a small ventilation roof hatch with an integrated fan and LED lighting, helping to keep the bathroom bright, well-ventilated, and comfortable after every shower. On the side, you'll find a window fitted with both a mosquito screen and a blackout blind, allowing fresh air in while keeping insects and sunlight out. The bathroom features a cassette toilet, making it easy to empty and maintain during long trips. Down below is a durable molded plastic shower tray that's lightweight, easy to clean, and built for everyday use. A large mirror makes the room feel more spacious, while a convenient shower holder is mounted on the wall. Instead of a separate shower head, the faucet extends from the sink and transforms into the shower, creating a clever space-saving solution. It's a simple, practical layout that gives you everything you need for comfortable travel. The bathroom features a durable molded plastic shower tray with 2 drain outlets, allowing water to drain away quickly. There's also a convenient shelf for shampoo and toiletries, while the shower curtain keeps the rest of the bathroom dry during use. Now let's move into the main living area and take a closer look at the interior. At first glance, the cabin feels bright, spacious, and surprisingly comfortable for a motorhome of this size. The layout has been carefully designed, making excellent use of every inch of available space for both weekend getaways and long-term adventures. Above the rear bed, you'll find 3 large and deep overhead storage cabinets. They're perfect for clothes, bedding, and travel gear, while secure locking mechanisms keep the doors safely closed while driving. An individual reading light is mounted next to the bed, and a power outlet is conveniently located nearby. Under the bed, there's even a built-in washing machine, making extended trips much more practical and comfortable. The rear sleeping area is filled with natural daylight thanks to 2 large side windows, while warm LED ambient lighting runs throughout the interior, creating a cozy atmosphere after sunset. Now, let's move to the overcab sleeping area. The alcove bed measures approximately 2,000 by 1,300 millimeters, providing a spacious sleeping area for 2 adults. One of the first things you'll notice is the large panoramic roof window, along with 2 narrow side windows. All 3 windows are equipped with mosquito screens and blackout blinds, allowing you to enjoy fresh air while maintaining privacy and comfort. Individual reading lights are also installed for added convenience. Above the entrance is the main control panel for the motorhome, allowing you to manage all of the onboard systems. Looking toward the cab, you'll also notice a modern dashboard with 2 large LCD displays. In addition, the vehicle is equipped with a 360-degree camera system, significantly improving safety and making parking much easier. The kitchen has been designed with practicality in mind. Large overhead cabinets provide generous storage for dishes and food supplies. Beneath them is a range hood with integrated LED lighting. A stainless steel sink covered with a glass lid that expands the available workspace, and a separate faucet supplying filtered drinking water. Next to the kitchen is a tall storage cabinet. The upper section houses a built-in microwave oven, while below it you'll find a large 148-liter compressor refrigerator with a separate freezer compartment divided into 2 spacious sections. This capacity is more than enough for long off-grid journeys. Beneath the countertop are 2 large pull-out drawers, while next to them there's another spacious storage compartment that's perfect for pots, pans, and other kitchen essentials. Finally, let's move into the driver's cab. One of the biggest advantages of this layout is the open walkthrough between the living area and the cab. It features a modern automotive-style dashboard with two large LCD displays, a multifunction steering wheel, a clean minimalist layout, and a floating center console with cup holders and extra storage. Everything is designed to feel comfortable, modern, and easy to use on long journeys. Before stepping outside, you'll notice that the entrance door is fitted with a full-height mosquito screen, allowing fresh air to flow through the motorhome while keeping insects outside. Above the entrance, a gas detector provides an extra level of safety during your travels. Right by the doorway, you'll also find convenient power outlets and the switch for the electric entrance step. Now, let's head outside. This motorhome is equipped with a practical outdoor kitchen featuring a powerful gas burner, making it easy to cook in the open air without bringing heat or cooking smells inside. Next to it is another service compartment with an outdoor shower, along with 220-volt power outlets for a kettle, coffee machine, or other electrical appliances, creating a comfortable campsite wherever you stop. While the outdoor kitchen is being prepared, let's take a closer look at the technical side of this motorhome, because that's where this vehicle really stands out from many competitors. The Blue Whale Explorer is built on Changan's latest factory-developed ladder frame chassis, specifically engineered for expedition motorhomes. This design delivers excellent rigidity, improved durability, and greater confidence when driving on rough roads or off the beaten path. Power comes from Changan's latest generation 2.0-liter Blue Whale turbocharged gasoline engine. It produces an impressive 233 horsepower and 390 newton-meters of torque, providing more than enough power for mountain roads, highways, and demanding off-road conditions. The engine is paired with a smooth and reliable 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, one of the most respected gearboxes in the automotive industry. One of the biggest advantages of this camper is its intelligent four-wheel drive system. Depending on road conditions, the driver can select different drive modes, while the transfer case with low-range gearing and differential locks provides excellent traction on mud, gravel, snow, or steep mountain trails. This makes the Blue Whale Explorer much more capable than a typical two-wheel drive motorhome. Despite its rugged construction, the vehicle remains under the 3.5-ton gross weight limit, allowing it to be driven with a standard passenger car license in many countries. The body is constructed using insulated sandwich panels with an aluminum frame and high-density insulation, providing excellent thermal efficiency during both hot summers and cold winters. This allows the motorhome to remain comfortable in a wide range of climates. The onboard electrical system is equally impressive. It combines both 12-volt and 48-volt electrical architecture, powered by a large lithium battery with approximately 10 kilowatt-hours of capacity. A powerful 5,000-watt inverter allows you to operate household appliances almost anywhere, while the factory-installed solar panels continuously recharge the batteries whenever sunlight is available. Water capacity has also been designed for extended off-grid adventures. The standard fresh water tank holds around 160 liters, while larger optional systems can increase that capacity significantly for longer trips away from campsites. When you combine a powerful drivetrain, intelligent four-wheel drive, modern electrical technology, generous onboard systems, and a thoughtfully designed living space, it's easy to understand why the Changan Blue Whale Explorer is quickly becoming one of the most interesting expedition motorhomes currently available on the Chinese market.